Hi, this is Jeremiah from Pademelon. Welcome to the Pademelon paddock. Today we're going to go through how to tighten a headset on a downhill bike that has a Pademelon steering damper installed. So the first thing we need to do is remove the steering damper. You use a 12mm socket, come up through the bottom of the steer. Remove the damper, keep track of your headset spacers. And what we're going to do is take our preload and expander. We're going to unthread the expander piece. Then what I like to do is to get a little bit of, adjust the width in my hand, drop that in, get it snug, and then torque it to 10 Newton meters. If you're using any type of headset spacer, you're going to want to put that one back in. And we're going to drop in the preloader remover cap using a 5mm. Put a little bit of tension on this guy. Then you need to loosen up your crowns, depending on what fork you have. Your upper crown bolt sizes will change, as well as the torques. So make sure those guys are loose. Then we're going to use that 5mm to bring that tension up. We usually recommend that you're going to want to hit the front wheel on the ground a few times to try and make sure everything settles. Check your torque again. Okay, then what we're going to do is tighten the steer pinch bolt, and that'll hold that tension in the headset. And we're going to remove our preloader cap and expander. Remove the expander using a 6mm. We're going to clean off our post, put a little bit of fresh grease on it. And with the damper, what we're going to do is turn the adjuster all the way clockwise. Then we're going to hold the body and turn it until it stops moving. And with our spacer in place, drop that in. Then I usually just use the extension, hold down the damper. A little bit of tension on that. Now what we're going to do is go to the full 30 Newton meters of torque. As a safety thing, what we're going to do now is loosen the upper crowns. Hit it on the ground another time. Recheck the torque. And now we're going to do final torque on our crown bolts to manufacturer's recommendations. Turn your adjuster back to your favorite setting. You have an adjusted headset and you're ready to ride.